Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and also check out my link in the description for a $100 bonus for Binance if you sign up today. Now, you want to go ahead on Binance and click on Wallets at the bottom and be here. Now you can either choose a cryptocurrency or click withdraw option. So I'm just going to choose USDT as we are sending USDT. And now you're going to click withdraw and send via crypto network. After that, you will need an address and a network. As you can see, Binance has a lot of networks for USDT. So we want to choose the one which fits you the best. So look at the fees which they are applying to. As you can see, Polygon has low fee, BEP20 low fee, and Arbitrum one, for example, has probably one of the lowest fees. So you want to go ahead and choose the one which fits you the best. And for today, let's, for example, choose Polygon maybe. Once you have chosen the network, you want to do the same and copy the address of the Polygon of USDT on Trust Wallet. So go ahead to Trust Wallet, and I'm just gonna click Manage Crypto. From here, you're gonna enter USDT, and as you can see, there's a lot of networks for USDT. But as we chose Polygon, I'm just gonna go ahead and toggle this on, and now I will have it here on my main wallet. So you're gonna click this button here, and you're gonna click Receive. After that, you will see your wallet address right there, and you want to go ahead and copy it and go back to Binance. After that, go ahead, enter the address here and enter the amount. And after that, just click withdraw. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.